Okay, so we've got the diagram here, but this is the, I'm calling it the back box. It's the bit behind the occupants. Left passenger, driver, right passenger, with seats which will be in this line here. And I left the driver support box out, but it's here, here, here. So driver support is about 8 inches forward of the passengers. So far, what I've got is the lower level of what I call the back box is in, and it is interesting. I managed to omit a line across here, and looking back, what I had originally was this going over to there, and nothing in here, so that a curved seat will be able to be placed in here, or a compartment behind the driver. And because the swing arm, which is going to go out to here for the rear wheels, needed some steel structure attached to a ladder frame, which is going to go along here, there, and out to the front. I actually moved this from its original position, but honestly, I think that it would be better to have a piece across here, because this entire part here, don't know if you can see, I'm pushing this inwards, and you can see this one bending just a little bit, and a second bamboo pipe across there would stop that from happening under significant load, even when the cloth and resin is on. Here there's one in across at that point, so this part here from this node is fine. It's just that one that doesn't have the redundant bracing, and likewise on the other side. This box is here from that one to there, that one there, which is this box here. That's rock solid, which is good, as we really want the central part here, off of which the left and the right wheels will be. I think it's actually the swing arms come off of there. If we were to do a wishbone suspension, double wishbone suspension, you would really want this part to be very, very strong. So what I've decided to do is, let's come back to here. I've decided to construct this part on the top, and you can see I've begun already the next layer. I've got nodes 1 and 2. What numbers were those? B0, back box 0, and back box 3. This is a roof line. I used a computer function, Python function, to generate this roof line, and used it multiple times. I've used it here, B0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've used it there for the roof line, the beginning of the roof line here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeated it again here. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which goes off the top of this image. And there's a scaling factor in the function automatically, which just gives you the dunk, 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 the reduction down, and that retains the same. Returns the roof curve, because the passenger's head will be underneath here, and this, remember, is 60 millimeters further up. So you need that room for the passenger head under there, but it comes back down again because the driver is sitting in the floor part here, 60 centimeters lower than the two passengers. So it goes back down again and then back up again for the right hand occupant. But yeah, I'm going to create this entire lot here. Put that across and to there, and again on the other side, and I will make this as a separate assembly onto the roof at some point, because it's just, yeah, it's still not, it's nowhere near rigid, this lot. We're going to have to brace across from here to there, from there to there, from there to there. It's just it's a bit of a mess, to be honest, which I hadn't spotted. But the point, the whole idea here was to have some polycarbonate in a curved shape, which would strengthen this all up. You know, a single piece polycarbonate, possibly even vacuum formed, which goes over, and that retains the strength, not so much these pipes. So the thing, where was the roof? Oh yes, the roof part. Yeah, there you can see. See the roof part. That's shaped like that. So that it's the polycarbonate that would retain the strength rather than the rods. So, all right, let's get on with it, and let's put some more nodes on this back box.